I must say that being referred to as Geechee in the late 60s, early 70s was actually considered to be an insult because it carried the connotations that if you were Geechee, uh, intellectually you were slower, you were not, you didn't have the cultural refinement of that nature. And so this became something of a just a major confusion. And certainly we took offense to being referred to in those days as being called Geechee.
Yeah, and unfortunately, that is the experience of a lot of people, and really cause the trend of moving away from the culture or identifying as the culture or even speaking the language because of that ridiculing or insult